Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Finally, we are starting with the installation of Jira and we will set up the project in it. First of all, open your browser and type Jira download. Once you type Jira download, you will see the official website of Jira, that is https www.atlassian.com. Guys, it doesn't matter which link you are seeing. If it is Atlassian, you can click on it because Jira is very much dynamic. Maybe with the same search item, you will be seeing something else and I'm seeing something else. So don't worry, play around and navigate to this. Click on official website of Jira and here you can click on get it free. You may see this option in different windows also. But the options are same, guys. You can either log in with work email or you can continue with Google. So I advise you to go for Google because if you are doing it with your work email, they will send you the verification code. You need to verify and then you can proceed. Although if your company is using Jira, which is a licensed tool, it's a commercial tool. If the company is using Jira, then they must have added you in a team. So for this example, for this series, I'll go for Google. I'll click on Google. And I'll go for this email here, roishanstesting@gmail.com. You can click on continue. Alright. Now you're getting this window where they ask for create your account. So let's get started and click on this option. Your site name is Roishan's Testing. Although you can give different name also. Remember, site name is actually the URL with which you can open your project. So the complete URL will be, in my case, it is roishanstesting.atlassian.net. So this is the complete URL. But there are some rules to give site name. First of all, there must not be spaces in the name. Second, your name must not start with capital letter. Usually people commit this mistake. They start with capital letter and it gives error. So avoid that mistake. Always start with the lowercase. Your name of the site should always be unique, otherwise you will get error. So use different permutations or combinations. This is the same thing like how you choose the user IDs. You give unique name for that. Exactly same thing is here. You have to give some unique name. Now we can click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see different options to choose from. I repeat it again, you may see some different options because Jira is dynamic. So play around, search for those options. You can research how you can go for the different boards. We'll click on project management. And here you see different boards. Kanban, Scrum, project management. Guys, Kanban is to manage and track agile workflows, integrate with developer tools like GitHub. Guys, Kanban is for long ongoing backlogs. But if the backlog is not that big and you're working on scheduled sprints, then always go for Scrum. So for this example, I'm choosing Scrum and continue. You will be asked to choose for project name. So I'm using the same example of Richards. I'll name it as LMS, that is Learning Management System. They're asking how familiar you are with Jira. Let's say somewhat and click on get started. Alright guys, so this is the board we landed on. Although we are missing with the sprint option here, so we need to make some changes in the current type of project. So for that, let's go to this project, go to view all projects. So this is the project where we want to change the type. Let's go for templates. And here we'll click on more templates and you can choose software development and go to Scrum. We already selected Scrum, but I want to show you something. Here we'll click on use template and here you will be changing the type of the project. You need to decide the type of the projects. Earlier we have not given any option to decide the type of project. Guys, when you are setting up the project, sometimes it happens Jira gives you the option of selecting the type of the project at that very moment. For understanding how the interaction will be, we will be using the example of company managed project. So we'll click on select company managed project. And here again, you have to give the details of the project. I'm giving name as learning management system. And this is your company managed project. This is Scrum and you can click on create projects. Now this will add this type of project into it. Earlier the type of project was not added and now we added the type of projects. So I'm repeating it again. It depends on which settings you're landing. Sometimes you will be seeing this option before the setup only. So don't worry, whatever you see, you can go for it. So I advise you, if you're stuck in between and you're not seeing the same option as I'm seeing, it's okay. You first watch the video and then implement it side by side so that you know these options are there. If it comes earlier, you can choose accordingly. Alright, I'll click on create project now. Now you see the option of active sprints. So guys, this is how you will be setting up the project. That's all for this video. In our next video, we will be learning how to create epics and stories. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.